Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I will show you how to download the Google Play Store on an Amazon Fire TV stick. Let's get started. The Fire TV stick does not come with the Play Store by default, but don't worry. This method is easy. First, turn your TV on and make sure your Fire TV stick is connected to Wi-Fi. Now on your iPhone, install the Amazon Fire TV app from the App Store. Open the app and connect it to your Fire TV stick. Your iPhone will now work as a remote. Next, go to your Fire TV screen. Go to Settings, select My Fire TV, then click on Downloader option. Turn on apps from unknown sources. If you see Install unknown apps, you will allow the app later. Now go back to the home screen. Using your iPhone remote, select the search icon and type Downloader. Open the Downloader app and click Download. Once installed, open Downloader and tap Allow if it asks for permissions. In the Downloader search box, type this website www.apkmirror.com and press Go. On the website, search and download these APK files: Google Account Manager, Google Service Framework, Google Play Service, and finally Google Play Store. Install each file one by one. After all apps are installed, restart your Fire Stick. Once it turns back on, you will see the Google Play Store installed, and that's it. You have successfully installed the Play Store on your Amazon Fire TV stick. That's all for today's video, guys. I hope you guys liked this video. If you found this video helpful, drop a like, subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.